So here it is black. Your turn, black to play. Right? Okay, Ishan, but Ishan, you have already given answer, so I will wait for somebody else to raise their hands. Anyone else apart from Ishan and Atharva? Atharva, you have also given one answer. Let us see. Siddhi or Shreya or Pradyumna. Yeah, Pradyumna.
The bishop on g4 can take the knight on f3.
Yeah, you can take it, but see, this is where the trick comes in. Is there a better move?
The bishop on g7 can take the rook on b2.
So this is a better move. Why? Because the rook is of more value. So this is more value, right? So there were choices. So that's what it becomes slow. Later on, it becomes you have to become you have to take a choice between two equally, almost equally good, but you have to judge which is better. Now you could have killed the knight here, but knight was of lesser value here, right? But the rook was more value. The right move was bishop g7 crosses the rook on b2, right? So like this, it will develop. And similarly, there is a course called. So this is just to give you an idea. So these are the puzzles. So if you are really starting, then this will help you get your eyesight for pattern recognition. It will get you, and you have to do hundreds of these so that you become really like a reflex action, right? I mean, you start sensing it automatically, and you have to think maybe 1 or 2 seconds. That's it. So that happens with practice, right? So similarly, there is one more example that I give is mate in one. Again, they are why it is mate in one, because yeah, at level one that is what is more important. So you just spot the mating move. Yeah, mate in one. So this also I give some puzzles to this, right? And again, they are also few figured, many figured, and this one, etc. It becomes more and more complicated as you go further and further down. Start with very simple ones, and then you become, then you do more and more, and then you progress, right? So yeah, this is the goal is mate in one and black to play. Let me see who puts up the hand. You can actually use the zoom to put up the hand, or you can tell out. It's okay. Ishan, yeah, Ishan.
Okay, so bishop on e6 goes to f5 check.
E6 to f5 check. Are you sure? I don't think it is.
No. Oh no, bishop can block.
See the king. You need space for the king to come back here, right? Anyone else? Anyone wants to try? Okay, Atharva.
So
Yeah.
A3 to
Yeah, A3 to A2.
Yeah. It's pawn here, right? So now you got, because you made one mistake, it gave me only 5 points out of 10. In fact, I could have this one, right? So this is how it happens. But it gives you, if you make a mistake, it will guide you what are the things you can get some clues, etc. Right? But it gets tricky. What point is, Ishan? I know you could have also solved this if you just spent some more few seconds more on it, right? So, but that is what it is. So you do all of these problems, a lot of them, so that you know what are the tricks and what are the patterns, right? So not this obviously. So yeah, so this is how it is. So mate in one again has got a lot of problems, and I give a selected few problems as a home assignments that you should solve. As you go to level 2, I give mate in 2. As you go to level 3, I give mate in 3 and 4 moves, etc. So it keeps on increasing. The assignments become more and more difficult at different levels. But this is just to give you what is at a level 1. So yeah, I will again stop here. Any questions, or if it is clear, then good. If there is any questions, I'll be happy to. And you folks can let me know. Okay, if you think that you are ready already at a level 1, etc., let me know. I will be happy to send the test, and then you can go to level 2 or maybe level 3 also. I don't know. So, yeah. Cool. Okay. So any questions final, or we can close? I think I'm pretty much done.
Nothing, Shivaji, as of now.
Okay. All right. Then I will stop the recording also.